beautiful queens, welcome back to the Queendom, my YouTube channel. So today I am giving you another bomb wig review, as you can see. But before we get started, I need you to do a few things for me. Hey, that rhymed. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media at Queendom Mindset so that we can connect. Check out my new book, The Wig Game. It is available on Amazon right now and you do not want to miss this read. And also make sure that you guys join us on Facebook at the Queens Connection Facebook group. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the unit I'm giving you today is by ZURY SIS. This is their Prime Human Hair Natural Mix 360 degree full lace wig. The name is PM Full Lace Satin, and the color that I have is FS2730. So this is going to have a human hair blend, free parting. The length is very long. It's going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is a full lace wig and it comes with a few things that I want to know. The first is natural baby hairs. I really like the baby hairs on this unit because it makes it look more natural to me. It does have a hand-tied hair all around the unit. It is, once again, 360 degree lace front free parting, y'all. So you can do the half updos, you can do the ponytails, the buns, and etc. So this color is gorgeous to me. I really like this unit, but there are a few things that really just bummed me out about this unit, which I will tell you in my end results in my wig tea. I know I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys like I always do because we are spending our coins, okay? So I need to let you know what is the tea, for real. Like, what's the tea? So yes, guys, don't mind me. I'm just feeling myself in this unit. I'm so excited, but I want to let you know everything that you need to expect when you get this unit. So I will tell you guys some of the cons. Make sure you guys stay tuned to my final thoughts at the end of this video so you can find out if this unit is the one for you. All right, guys, make sure you guys subscribe before you leave. Love you and see you soon. All right, queens, I am ready to give you all of the wig tea and my final thoughts on this unit. So this is, once again, ZURY SIS Prime Human Hair Natural Mix. This is PM Full Lace Satin, and I have it in the color FS2730. So this is a 360 degrees full lace wig. It's supposed to be breathable, lightweight, human blend, hand tied part with baby hairs. I was really nervous to try this color, but I'm so happy I did. It's so pretty. It's like a honey blonde type color and I absolutely love it. So the unit, the parting, the 360 lace, everything is just so flawless. And guys, for the first time in like forever, I did not cut my baby hairs because the long baby hairs actually help it look more natural. I really like the long baby hairs on this unit. You guys, this unit is so pretty. Like, it's a body wave type curl. It's so beautiful. The only thing that is absolutely bugging me is it has extensive shedding, and this could be due to my cutting the lace, but it is shedding quite a bit and it is tangling. Not tangling as bad as much as it is shedding, but it is doing both of those. So I'm just going to show you guys some of this 360 parting. You literally have so much room to part, so much room to decide how you want to wear it. So this cap size is big head friendly, but what I will say is that it's very secure. So you're not going to get a lot of wiggle room if you're a big headed person, but it's not too tight to where it's uncomfortable. The length, I would say, is definitely at least 20 inches. It probably goes to about 22 to 24 inches completely stretched out. So as always, you guys, give me a comment below and let me know, what do you think about this unit? Are you feeling it or are you not? And as always, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button so you can join this amazing queendom and become part of the family. We would love to have you. Share this video with anybody you think would love this unit in any color. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys later. I love you so much. See you in the next video. Mwah.